In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zoho Mail in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make your emails look more professional. First, open your preferred web browser. Once you have it up and running, head over to your search bar and type in Zoho. Hit enter and you'll be greeted with a list of search results. Look for the link that either appears first or has a URL indicating zoho.com. Click on it to be redirected to Zoho's official website. Now that you're on the Zoho homepage, if you already have an account, you'll want to log in using your credentials. If not, go ahead and sign up for a new account. It's a quick process. Once you're logged in, glance around to find the icon or link that leads you to Zoho Mail. Select it to access your Zoho Mail dashboard. Once you've landed on the dashboard, your next step is to find the settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon, often located in the upper right corner of your screen. Give that icon a click, and it will pull up a menu with a variety of options. From this menu, locate the Signatures section and select it. In the Signatures menu, you'll see an option to add a new one. Look for a button that says Plus or Add New Signature. Click on it to begin creating your personalized email signature. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to provide a name for your new signature. This helps you easily identify it, especially if you plan on managing multiple signatures. After giving your signature a name, you'll find yourself inside a signature editor. Here's where the creativity comes in. You can add your preferred text, adjust the formatting such as bolding or coloring, and even insert images or links if you'd like. For those of you more tech-savvy, there's also an option to incorporate HTML for further customization. As you perfect your signature, decide whether it should appear above or below the quoted text when you reply to emails. This is a small but significant preference that can impact how your signature fits within ongoing email threads. If you manage multiple email addresses or aliases within Zoho, you'll appreciate the feature that allows you to associate this signature with a specific email address. Choose the one that's most relevant, ensuring that the right signature shows up for the right emails. Finally, with everything set up exactly how you like it, hit the Save button. This action will finalize your changes and store your signature in the system. And there you have it. You've created a signature in Zoho Mail. Adding a professional touch to your emails has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.